you today? Thanks for joining me. This is a monthly video that we do just to encourage creativity and give you a little bit of taste of what Paint for Fun is all about. So when you come to our classes and each painting you finish in 2 hours, you basically learn a new technique. Some of the style that people really love and keep on going back to is these ones. When you have something in the center, usually it's a sun. It can be a sun, it can be a moon, but something in the center that glows and starts very light and go and become either colorful or from light to dark. So I'm going to teach you pretty much how to do it. It's not as hard as you may imagine, pretty easy. So what you need is a palette with a few shades. You can actually create the shade on the canvas, but you will still need a basic color. What is a base color? So although I can create these two, it's really hard to create yellow, impossible. You can't create red and you can't create blue. And also white and black. These are your base color. Once you have those 5, you can pretty much create all the shades here. We like to use shade because it saves time, and also you can use hot colors or cold colors, warm or cold. That means this is a warm yellow, this is a cold yellow, this is a warm red, this is a cold red. And this green, for example, if you take these two, you will get more of this green. It will be very hard to get this kind of vibrant green. So sometimes you get the shades if you want to do something specific. But if you're just a beginner, you can just use 5 of those colors. And I'll show you what you can do. So, have a clean big brush. To do big surfaces, we always use the big one. We don't use the small one. And we'll start from the center, and we're going to go all the way. So let's start from the center with white. And I'm going to go in circle movement. Now this is white, so it's hard to see, but you can see the movement of my brush. I won't go back and forth or up and down, obviously. I'm just going to go in circle movement, and I'm going to add the other paint. I'm not going to just clean the brush in between. Just going to move to the yellow, and it will become from light to dark, always in a circle movement. Now don't worry about this now, because if I go now with a yellow brush, all this become yellow. Just leave it as is, and I'll show you how to blend it nicely. Now what we'll do? Orange. Or you can just use the dark red or orange. So again, I'm not cleaning the brush, I'm just moving to the next one. I'm going to do circle movements and touch the yellow to get it blended. And I'm not going to go over the yellow too much because again, I don't want to create something that's more. I want to go from in to out, so I'm not going to go back here. I'm only going to go. Now, if you have a warm yellow, you can use a bit of warm. So you see how I use another shade. To make the dark orange not be that dark. Right? So now we have 1, 2, here you have 3 colors already. Now it really depends where you want the blue, the red to finish. Now you can take the red and start from here. And on the side. I'm going to use a bit of orange here. Again, dark orange to fill the gap, but I'm not going too in. So I'm just going here, in between. And now going back to the red and closing it. what you can do is use blue to create purple. So if I take now blue, yeah, or you can stay with just the warm colors of red and yellow. Now I didn't clean the brush, so I still have a bit of yellow, that's why I get the green. But if you're going from warm colors to cold, you can clean your brush. Now I'm going to clean the brush. When you clean the brush, you really put it in the cup and give it a good stir. So I'm touching all the way to the bottom. You see, this is not clean yet. Really making sure my brush is clean. And then I use the cloth to remove any excess water or paint. Look at that. Ta-da! That's really important. Why? Because we're gonna go over it again with the light colors. So I'm gonna take white to the center. Now this is a work that you need to do fast. If this dries, that's a problem. So even if it's not organized, it's gonna look beautiful because you're gonna go up again with the light color. So now I'm going with the white and I'm gonna make it even bigger. You see, I'm getting light, nice light yellow. Now I'm gonna take yellow. Oh, and I have a little bit of green in my yellow. So make sure the colors are clean. So now, clean your brush, really clean it. And use without any paint. Just move the paint that you have on the canvas. That means, again, you go from light and just go around in circles. Clean your brush from time to time, so especially if now my brush is orange, you don't want to go in. So clean it. And without paint again, I'm just going to go and work the paint. Look at that. What you need to remember is you need to remember to clean your brush so you won't contaminate here like here. To add more paint, don't be afraid to add paint. So if now I want more yellow, I'm going to add more yellow. And always try to go from in to out. I won't go in the opposite way. I'm not going to go from red here. Clean your brush, go inside, blend it. That's it pretty much. So I did it quite fast. What you can do, you can pause the video, see it again, go back, doing your thing, pause it. You have the control on that. So you don't have to do it in 5 minutes. You can do it in 30 minutes. When this dries, you can put on top of it whatever you want. So Michaela did a video about silhouettes. So you see, she used a different technique of back and forward. But if, for example, you have something like this, you can just print the silhouette with black and put a silhouette here. It can be whatever. We did a few examples, and so follow us in Instagram or like us on Facebook, sign up for our YouTube channel, and then you get notification every time we post a different monthly tip. With those 12 months, we hope that we cover a lot for you to get excited about art. I hope you come and visit our classes. Every class, there's different thing. Every time you learn something new. So hope to see you. Me and my instructor will love teaching you more and give you a full 2 hours. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.